If you don't know now, that's the only way I do it. Backyard boogie got the whole party moving. Drop top
Hey,
six.
welcome back to Cocktails and Cribs. It's been a minute since we did a video, and part of that's because I've been a world traveler. I spent a few days down in Costa Rica, and I stumbled across a gem, and I'm gonna share it with you today, and we're gonna get Rob's opinion, because I know he's hard to please, so don't go anywhere, because we're gonna make the Guaro Sour.
Guaro Sour.
Guaro Sour. So the Guaro Sour is a Costa Rican cocktail that I had many times. Yeah, I had quite a few.
Well sampled.
Well, yeah.
Anything on vacation is
Everything on vacation is
premium.
good.
Yeah.
So the key ingredient in a Guaro Sour is a Guaro liqueur. This is the main one that is everywhere in Costa Rica. It's called Cacique. This is made in Costa Rica. It's made from sugar cane. If you had to compare it to anything else, I would probably say it most closely resembles white rum. If you're having a hard time finding it, and let me tell you, in Calgary, I had a heck of a time finding this stuff. You can substitute white rum and probably get away with it. But if you are in Calgary and you want a bottle of Cacique, you can get it at BSW Liquor.
Go check out BSW.
Go check out BSW. So Cacique is your main ingredient. It is a sour style cocktail. And it's a fun one because you actually get to muddle some limes in it. But here in Canada, our limes are not
the juiciest.
Yeah, they're not awesome. So compared to Costa Rica, when they're juicing those limes, man, you watch the juice coming out and you're like, must be nice. And it is. But here, you're probably gonna need to offset it with some lime juice. I did tweak the recipe for my environment, let's call it that.
It's Canadianized.
It's the Canadian version of the Guaro Sour. So let's make a cocktail. Got all our limes in our shaker tin. And before we get to squashing them, just gonna add an ounce of our simple syrup. This is 1-to-1 ratio sugar to water.
When you're muddling, use a spoon.
I left my muddler at home, okay? My portable bar was missing a key piece of equipment. But when you are muddling, it's best to muddle with the sugar in, and that's because the sugar breaks down the oils in your fruit. So whatever fruit you're muddling.
I haven't heard that.
Yeah, same if you're doing mint. And again, because we have such terrible limes, we're gonna add an ounce of lime juice, freshly squeezed. That took me for a long time to get this much. It's a lot of limes, but it's worth it.
A whole tree.
Yeah, a whole Canadian tree. And then we're gonna do 2 ounces of our Guaro liquor or spirit, in this case, Cacique. Just give it a good shake. Gotta hit it harder. Do a little shake and dump. We're not gonna strain it out at all because we want
all that limey goodness.
All that limey goodness. There you have the Guaro Sour.
I've got scars in all the wrong places.
Just a couple of guys having a cocktail in a house they don't own, but are looking to sell, coming to the market very soon.
This is one of those unique kinds of experiences that not a lot of people have. Sitting in a stranger's house drinking cocktails is probably not something a lot of people have done.
No,
but we do it all the time.
All the time. All the time. Although, are they really strangers at this point? Like, for you, they probably are.
Yeah.
For me, they're
You've
at
been
least
here a few
acquaintances.
times anyways. I love lime. Anyway, it's like key lime pie. It's got to be one of my favorite things in the world.
Okay. It's just this.
It's a special kind of flavor. So
Get your
I'm
taste
looking
buds
forward to
going.
this.
Well, cheers.
Cheers. Thank you, sir.
Cheers to you. Cheers to you, Costa
Look
Rica.
how good this looks.
Yeah.
With those limes floating in there.
So good. You did say it earlier. It reminded you of the mojito, which
A little bit, yeah.
It's not far off, to be honest. I've had these many times in the last few weeks, so.
That is everything I hoped it would be and more.
Me too.
It's extra sweet because of the extra lime. And I like the syrupiness to go along with that sour. That's awesome.
Yeah, this really is a patio cocktail, or sitting outdoors with friends kind of cocktail.
Man, it's so it's just bright, and
you can't stop them from talking about it.
No.
So good.
I mean, when people talk about refreshing, I think it's that citrus component normally that gives it that kind of a quality, and this is just 3-4 times what you're used to. So.
You need a lot of sugar because you have a lot of citrus.
This
right?
is good.
But it balances out so well, and I don't know if you're picking up much of the Cacique, but it is a nice little. You taste it on the back end.
Yeah, it's there. I think anything would be a little more subtle relative to how much lime is in there, but when we smelled it, it's a little bit of that earthiness.
Good drink in an awesome house.
This tastes like vacation. I can see
I know. That's why I was having them on vacation. For those of you that don't know, we're sitting in a house in Ramsey, in Calgary, and Ramsey, for those of you who are into the craft beer scene,
this is where you want to be.
This is the community you want to be, and this house fits perfectly. It's a newer infill. You know what? You're going to see it in a second because we're going to show it to you.
I mean, just sitting in this corner here, it's beautiful the way they have it set up, but the light coming in that window is awesome. And I pick up on sunlight pretty quick because I'm thinking about pictures when I walk into a place, but this is really well lit, this space.
Good high-end finishing. It's got a Jack and Jill bathroom, which if you don't know what that is, the 2 secondary bedrooms share a bathroom, doesn't have access from the hallway. I always think that's cool because your guests aren't going upstairs anyway. My kids would love that, that's for sure. And fully developed. So make sure you check out the video tour here. We're gonna finish these because these are awesome.
You better
Sausage
believe
face
it.
plus
Yes.
extra ice. Sip happens in every crib. Yeah, that mess still feels nice. We're stirring up that good luck on cul-de-sacs and downtown streets. Double shot of fresh start. Serve me with a set of new keys. Oh yeah. Raise a glass to where you live. Every wall, every scratch, every story it gives. From the couch to the porch to the old front stairs. This is your pour, your place, your perfect little nest. Raise a glass to where you live. Then fill the glass that fits it. Find your dream place. Then fill the glass that fits it.
Cheers to you.
Find your dream
Cheers to you, my friend.
Cheers.
See you next time on
Cocktails and crabs.
Yeah, we will.